What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja, as usual, your host with the most, bringing money making videos to your, I almost said laptop, but to your device. Whatever you're using, a phone, tablet, phablet, um, your laptop, your desktop, your smart TV, whatever you're using, I hope you find this video informative and helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. And in today's video, we'll be reviewing a senior editor position at Wikimedia Foundation. If you've never heard of Wikimedia, it kind of sounds like Wikipedia. Wikimedia is the company that owns Wikipedia. All right. So you're in good hands, wondering, what the heck is this? It doesn't sound the same like Wikipedia. It's Wikimedia. Same people. All right. Wikimedia has a bunch of, I don't want to say projects, but they have a bunch of projects running that help make learning easy and accessible to everybody around the world. That's their aim. Now, a bit of housekeeping. It is currently 9:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's date of recording is actually January 12th, Wednesday, January 12th, again 9:22 p.m. Now, at the time of this recording, this video was posted 5 hours ago. Now, the lead is a freelance position, so you're not a permanent employee of the company. It's a full-time position, and you can work internationally, meaning you can work from various locations around the world. Okay? All right. Now, let's tear this thing up. Let's go get some ninja action in. Now, when you come to this website, if you want to go to the official website of the company, you can click that link. Press that. When you press this chain link looking thing, the web page will open up. Okay? My bad. So the web page will actually open up and you can learn more about the Wikimedia Foundation, but we're actually going to go through some stuff in this video. So again, the title, Senior Editor. It's a contract position, not full-time. When I say not full-time, okay, it's a full-time position. You work 40 hours a week. However, you're not permanent. So they will be reviewing your contract each period. Now, the Wikimedia Foundation is seeking a senior editor, global advocacy, to join the legal department on a full-time, fixed-term contract to advance the Wikimedia movement's vision of every human being able to freely share in the sum of all knowledge, as well as its strategic direction. That by 2030, so it's 2022 now, within the next 8 years, Wikimedia will become the essential infrastructure of the ecosystem of free knowledge, and anyone who shares our vision will be able to join us. The Wikimedia Foundation, the San Francisco-based nonprofit home of Wikipedia, Wikimedia Commons, and other free educational projects, serves as the hub of a global movement of hundreds of thousands of contributors collaborating to collect and share the sum of all human knowledge within the world. So let's stick a pin. So the Wikimedia Foundation is the home of Wikipedia, Wikimedia Commons, and other free educational projects, as I mentioned earlier. Okay? And their goal is to make education free and accessible to all. Everybody. Okay. Wikipedia, the most prominent of the Wikimedia projects, comprises more than 55 million articles in more than 300 languages and is viewed more than 15 billion. Can you imagine getting $1 for each time somebody views your website? More than 15 billion times each month from around the world. Wow. Wikimedia's advocacy work is focused on championing everyone's right to free knowledge online. The foundation protects users' privacy and speech and educates governments and policymakers about the importance of the free and open internet. Wikimedia believes that regardless of location or circumstance, everyone has the right to seek and share knowledge. The foundation protects the right to speak and learn freely, shaping public policy that opens access to free online knowledge around the globe. Wikimedia defends free expression and stands up for its users, including helping contributors respond to legal threats relating to their work on Wikimedia projects. The foundation supports community voices, maintaining the legal protections around the world that allow volunteer contributors to take the lead on editorial decisions. And Wikimedia speaks up for free knowledge and access, increasing awareness of Wikipedia beyond North America and Europe to expand global knowledge participation. The Senior Editor, Global Advocacy, will report to the Vice President, Global Advocacy, in order to support the ability of the team to communicate a clear, accurate, and compelling story. The Wikimedia Foundation is seeking a seasoned writer and editor expert who is able to manage, coordinate, and edit the team's communications for diverse audiences of external and internal stakeholders. The successful candidate for this position will be responsible for shaping and leading global advocacy communications in collaboration with the team and as appropriate with our communications department. While this is a fixed-term contract ending on the 30th of June 2022, extension or renewal may be possible if funds and budget permit. Now, if you're like me, where you did the finger count thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, so it's January, February, March, April, May, June, right? You would be starting at the end of January, roughly, mid to end of January, and you'll be commencing this contract the 30th of June. So that's roughly 5-6 months, right? It's a good stint, and you'll be working for one of the largest internet companies out there, right? Let's go further. You will be responsible for managing global advocacy. So you'll manage the global advocacy team's efforts to engage readers with informative and educational material. Work with global advocacy and public policy staff to plan and manage the drafting of op-eds, articles, blog posts, newsletter, web copy, etc. You manage the editorial process for the team's written products from concept development, drafting, review, copy editing, and sign off. Collaborate when necessary with communications department staff on press publications emerging from global advocacy and public policy staff. You'll manage the development and revision of website and social media content, including management of a likely website migration or substantial overhaul. You work with global advocacy staff to develop consistent tone and style for a newsletter and other regular updates to the Wikimedia community and allies. You'll rewrite text drafted by global advocacy staff to improve clarity and readability as well as tone of all writing for internal and external audiences. You're basically like a teacher, when you mark over your students' work. Yeah. Proofread text and correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Fact-check text for accuracy, including dates and statistics. Coordinate translations. Now, skills and experience that they want you to have. They want you to have experience writing and editing content related to global tech, policy issues, and digital rights advocacy, freedom of expression, and privacy. At least 3 years experience coordinating editorial production. Excellent writing skills, including familiarity with AP style in English, especially as applied to press communication, blog posts, and other short-form content. Proficient proofreader. Experience working across digital platforms, including websites, mobile blogs, etc. Ability to maintain focus and detail orientation when processing large amounts of information or copy. Ability to collaborate with writers to understand their writing needs and maximize their impact. Experience coordinating and executing a substantial overhaul or revision of a website's content, including working with developers and designers. Demonstrated ability to distill complex topics into language that is understandable to broader audiences. Experience with pitching ideas to different audiences with the ability to write compellingly to either professional or lay audiences from diverse backgrounds. And lastly, demonstrate ability to work on tight deadlines. Right? There will be cases where something comes up, maybe some sort of news or something, and you need to get this thing done in a short period of time. Tight deadlines. Now, qualities that are important to Wikimedia for this role: experience with or understanding of free knowledge, open source, free culture, or other online communities, and operates with high sensitivity around culture with the goal to respect, persevere, and enhance. Ability to give and receive feedback in a constructive, collaborative fashion. Command other languages Command of other languages is seen as a plus, meaning if you speak Spanish, French, Italian, German, Dutch, if you're a polyglot or bilingual, you have such an advantage. So if you grew up in one of them houses where your parents migrated from some exotic country to the States or something, and you speak two languages, and then you traveled in between classes, like you traveled for summers and winters to some tropical place every year, and you picked up another, oh my gosh, they would eat you up. Right? I hope they don't, but you know what I mean. Now, if you're interested in this role, press this button. You'll see the link in the description somewhere. Then when you see the link after you've watched the video and subscribed and hit the notification bell, click the link that leads to this page. You will see this button. You press this button. All right? Can't say I didn't warn you. After that, the application page will pop up. Then it will ask you to enter your information. Now, if you feel like you're a klutz, it may not be true because it's just a feeling. Feeling isn't necessarily fact. The fact is, even if you were a klutz, you can find a link in the description to a website called Canva. Canva has so many templates for resumes, cover letters, CVs, job letters, and so many different things. You can do birthday cards, you can do Mother's Day cards, you can do t-shirts. There's so much you could do. Now, that website, access to it is free. You just enter your name, your email address, and you're good to go. You're free to use the tools. And you can get a template and literally where it says John Doe, delete John Doe, put your name in. That's it. All right. So check this out. If you're a writer, editor type person, you want to work from home, you want to work remotely, but you want to do the things you still like to do, even though it's a contract position that's good for 5 to 6 months, there are still wonderful opportunities that can be had from this. I mean, you're probably sitting at home doing nothing anyways, so try it. And if you don't want to try it, but you know someone else who will or would like to try it, share the video with that person. All right? Thanks so much for watching. I hope your new year has started off well. I hear that the fourth wave of this thing has kicked into high gear. Please do your best to stay safe. Please do your best to get enough rest, eat well, vitamins and all that jazz. Stay safe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.